Hi everyone, Martin here from martinsmayhem.blogspot.com. I hope you are well. I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator based in the UK, and that basically means all the products you see me use today are available to purchase from me either by contacting me direct or via my online store. I'm available. You can purchase the items either if you are based in the UK, France, Germany, Holland or Austria. So shall we get started? This is today's project, which is a super cute card and a super simple card which takes seconds, that's all, and it's just super fun. We're using our gorgeous Calypso Coral colour, which is available in our Subtles collection, and it's just super cute. The stamp set is Bloom and Grow. Bloom and Grow even. I can't talk today for some reason. So this is super cute. You have these lovely flourishes of flowers, as well as these cute individual ones and some really super fun sentiments. I've used this a lot because I think it's super fun. So this card is actually a swap of mine. So I am heading to a Pinkies weekend, which is my upline's upline. So I've been invited to that, and this is what I'm going to be swapping. So swaps is something I hand out. So I'll make 10 of this card, and then I'll receive 10 cards in return using different items. So it's a good way of coming up with one design and receiving lots back. Anyway, so it's super fun and I really enjoy swapping, and being a demonstrator gives you such wonderful opportunities to attend events like this. Anyway, so this card, I originally designed it as a side folding card. However, because of swapping, I made my life a lot easier and swapped them to a top fold card. So you can see they all bend that way. And the reason why I did this is because I'm going to be using my stamp apparatus, because let's face it, I'm making multiples of this card, so to make my life easier, I have set it up ready to go. And in fact, I have lost my little thing in my box. It just fell on the floor, that's okay. Here they are. So I'm going to quickly grab a piece of grid paper for the Stampin' Magic to get in there. So let's quickly take these off. So I adore the Stampin' Magic. It's probably one of my favourite items to have. And the reason is because when you're making multiple cards such as this, it just works perfectly. So I'm going to take my cardstock, I'm going to line that up with a 3cm mark, and I'm going to push that to the edge, and that's why I've done it as a top folding card, just so I know that's going to fit perfectly there, like so. So I'm going to secure that in place. Move it over slightly with my magnet, so that's not going to move. And I'm going to bring in my embossing buddy and just cover this area like so, and grab my Versamark ink and just ink up our stamp. And then just pop that down and press it down. You can give it a really good rub and lift up. And there you can see, oh, can you see? There you go, the image on there. So I can close that up, ready to do my next card by just slotting it in. It's going to go on the floor for now because I've got no room, because the rest of my desk is a mess. So I'm going to lock that in place, and I'm going to sprinkle over some white embossing powder. like so. And then on this side. Don't put that too far away because you'll be needing it later on. Give that a quick blow. This is when I need my paintbrush just to get in there with some areas. There we go. And we're going to heat set that like so. So it's going to be noisy, so I do apologise. I'm just going to quickly give that a little bend like so. So you'll notice I haven't folded the card yet, and that's just because it's easier for me to work on a flat surface. So now that's heat set and dry, so I can rub it, it's not going anywhere. I'm going to bring in my coordinating ink pad, which is also Calypso Coral. And I'm taking this little spray of flowers that you see, just to create some tonal interest on the back of the card. So ink that up. I'm going to stamp off because I don't want it too dark, and I'm just going to stamp it down like so. And you can stamp on the embossed areas because you can just give it a little wipe and the ink will come away because it will resist the embossing powder. So that will do. So that can go away now. And that is basically our card. Where's my bone folder? A very dirty bone folder, like so. So that's the card base done. So you're going to want to stamp the sentiment next, which I've got, run that room, a piece of basic black that's 1 centimetre, and I cut strips of these so I could do multiple, but I think on the end card, let's get a good old fashioned ruler. It just measures 3 centimetres, and then the piece of Whisper White that goes behind is 1.6. Seems quite thick. Yeah, 1.6. Do you know why that's too thick? This is the actual piece I was supposed to use. 1.3. Okay, and then that's going to measure at the end roughly 3.3. So let's get this heat embossed. So grabbing our embossing buddy again, and our stamp and our Versamark ink. Someone asked me the other day what is an essential for card making, and it's not an essential, but I do it on every single project, and that's white embossing powder, Versamark ink, a good full embossing buddy, and did you just see I flicked it everywhere? Absolute nightmare. We'll tidy that up later, it's okay. So that's on there. And I'm just going to give that a little blow. And then we're just going to heat set that. Like so. Easy peasy, and I am just going to eyeball this. Would be good if I cut that straight. That's straighter. Then. So I'm just going to eyeball it for the sake of time and adhere that with a piece with some Tombow onto our piece of Whisper White, which gives it that tiny border, like so. And just cut that again. And there you have our sentiment, which I'm going to position on the right hand side, and I'm going to adhere that down with our mini Stampin' Dimensionals. Taking the backs off. And pop that in place. Like so. So super easy, right? So now I need to find, because I had them a second ago, my new favourite items, iridescent sequins. I've had these for ages and haven't used them, so I've made a point recently of actually using them. And I'm just going to do some random dots. So one there, one there, one there, then let's go one there, one there, one there, and one there. Why not? And then I'm going to bring in my Take a Pick tool, and I'm just going to find the Calypso Coral sequins. So, and pick them out. So I'm going to go for 2 medium-sized ones, 2 big ones. I don't want to get my head in the shot. And 2 small ones, 3 small ones, 2 and 3. Okay, and what I find helps is when you pick it up and put it on, just to have something else to knock it over with, like so. Now this tool is a must have, because you can see how easy this is as soon as I have it picked up, like so. Pop them away. And there you have today's project. I hope you enjoyed today's card. While you're here, why not like, comment and subscribe to my channel, as well as check out the description bar where the full list of the items used are available, as well as links to my online shop. Why not share to your social media so everybody can see how super fun, quick and easy it is to make such a fabulous card so they can try it themselves. I hope you give it a go. I'll see you around. Bye.